Okay, I moved my figs to where the same place where I had the broccoli. And I moved the broccoli to the same place where I had the figs. Because the figs need more sunlight and the broccoli needs more cool. And over here by the porch, it gets shade first in the afternoon. So I have my lettuce and my broccoli here, and flowers. I left my winter squash where it was. The one that says summer squash, I put it over there where the potatoes were. I picked a ripe tomato, and gave it to hubby to eat. My tomatoes, almost all of them have blooms on them. And my cucumbers are growing really good. But I don't see any blooms on them yet. It looks like they're getting big enough. I'm sure that the blooms will come very soon. I like the lavender back there. And oh, I wanted to show you this. The echinaceas are in bloom. Aren't they pretty? My mulberry tree is getting quite tall. Yeah, I haven't walked over there to see if I've got berries or not. And I have some more slips that I probably will plant out. Sweet potato slips. I know it's getting a little bit late to plant sweet potato slips, but I've got them, so I'll plant them. I might get itsy bitsy little sweet potatoes, you never know. But I was just waiting for those to get some roots on them. Well, that's my little garden update for today. Yesterday was, okay, the day before yesterday, the temperatures got into the upper 80s, low 90s, but the nighttime temperature was like 47, 48. But yesterday, we got up to, I believe, 96. Might have been 97. And then in the nighttime, we stayed in the 50s, 60 range. So the nighttime temp is a little more comfortable for the plants, I think. But those are hot days. And that's part of the reason why I switched the figs and the broccoli around, because the figs can do okay with all-day sun, and well, it's, as you saw, morning shade, but sun in the afternoon until the shade from the porch reaches them, which is probably about 4:30, 5 o'clock-ish in the afternoon, whereas the broccoli is more of a cool weather plant, and I planted it late enough. I don't know if I'll end up getting broccoli or not, but they need more shade, so they'll get morning sun but afternoon shade, and that's a little better when it's this hot. So I believe summer has begun, and we do have temps in the 90s, probably most of the rest of July, I'm guessing, maybe even reaching the 100s by the end of the month and part of August, and then we start cooling down if things are typical, which nothing weather-wise has been typical this year. So we will we will wait and see what happens. But I'm anxious to get tomatoes. Like I said, I think almost all of my tomatoes are in bloom, so hopefully they set fruit. And that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a tomato harvest. Well, I'm going to go ahead and close this video. Until my next video, may God's love and blessings surround you. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.